AI and machine learning are hot topics right now, and both are used in the latest and greatest predictive analytics solutions. But which one's the right fit for your company? Click the link in the description or top right corner of your screen to check out TechnologyAdvice's recent list of the best business analytics software to find the best solution for your business. We've connected over 2 million people to the best business software for their needs. In this video series, I'll walk you through our top predictive analytic picks that satisfy a handful of specific needs, such as best for interactive ad hoc queries, best for self-service predictive analytics, best for businesses with multiple skill levels, best for Six Sigma professionals, and best for organizations that use ML algorithms. We already covered 2 of these in our last video, so let's move on to IBM SPSS, the best for businesses with multiple skill levels. International Business Machine Statistical Package for Social Sciences, or IBM SPSS, gives users the ability to create custom tables, store metadata dictionary with data documentation, build and validate predictive models, draw insights from qualitative inputs via open-ended questions, and use a visualization designer to arrange data for visual presentations with a user-friendly interface. That said, it's quite costly and has a significant learning curve for users without training. But we put it on our list because it can conduct multiple types of data analysis and interpretations on research projects or business reports. IBM SPSS uses machine learning ML algorithms, text analysis, and open source extensibility, meaning the software can expand its capabilities and functionality without significant changes to the code. Next up, Minitab, best for Six Sigma professionals. Minitab is great because not only is it user-friendly, but it requires no special training, and it's easy to create tables and graphs. With Minitab, you can track ANOVA, or analysis of variance, to see how far numbers spread from the mean value. It also includes statistical process controls to maintain the quality of data and prevent errors. However, it's also pretty pricey, and licensing with Minitab is difficult. In addition, it has limited coding capabilities. We put Minitab on our list because its easy-to-use analytic tools are ideal for manufacturing and industrial companies that utilize Six Sigma techniques to design better products and enhance their business processes. Last but not least, TIBCO Data Science, best for organizations that use ML algorithms. TIBCO features detailed documentation and TIBCO Spotfire, which is their powerful visual analytic tool. TIBCO integrates with a variety of systems, features role-based security, and includes built-in version control. Unfortunately, it also features a difficult installation process, and like the other 2 entries in this video, is one of the pricier solutions. We covered 5 different predictive analytics tools in this series that are best suited for specific business needs. But if your business doesn't fall under one of those, check out our website for even more of the best business analytics tools available today. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you're a cool cat, and remember, your success is our mission, and we're here to make sure that you win. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.